Matt Dillon, Gunsmoke. I need one of those. In 1975, the district passed a gun law that said starting next year, you can't own a gun. We started having crime waves in about 20 years ago, and I said, I really need to carry a gun, but you couldn't. I saw crime and bad attitude people firsthand, okay? And I know we have it on the other side of the Anacostia River in D.C., so I said, I think I should own something that's concealable. So I drove to America, and I bought one and drove it back into the Soviet district. And today that would be quite illegal, but back then there were no gun laws. And then I saw a bunch of thugs in Lincoln Park one day, and I said, I'm the kind of guy that attracts trouble. My whole family drove nothing but Corvettes. We drank beer and we chased girls. And I might need more than 6 rounds. My brother had given me another .22 semi-automatic that held 10 rounds. So I carried that for a while, and then I went to the range, and it wasn't just as dependable as I wanted it to be. So I bought the .22 Magnum, which can hold 25 rounds, which is illegal in D.C. Well, I should be able to carry a machine gun if I thought I needed it for some reason, okay? So when I saw some motorcycle thugs coming through town, that's when I said, okay, you behave yourself, Heller. You don't want to get in trouble and put yourself in worse legal trouble by defending yourselves, because the victim goes to jail. Victim goes to jail. It's called disproportionate force. Who decides that? It's decided in many times by the prosecutor, who will get up and rail to the jury that you're a bad guy, a bad attitude, so you should not have had disproportionate force. That has to be addressed. And the jury doesn't have the luxury of just listening to the facts of the case. Okay, they're going to be swayed by the emotion that a prosecutor, an overzealous government prosecutor, can throw into the color of the event. But my 25-round magazine is illegal in D.C. because we don't want to hurt too many of those little darlings, do we? So I became the catalyst for that magnificent Supreme Court, magnificent Justice Scalia, magnificent Second Amendment gun decision. And we eventually got concealed carry